Well done, well done. It's just like if you stay low health, and die to storm, you rank up more than if you die to a player. So just bear that in mind. So I try and die to storm the whole time. Yeah. Messi is coming to Fortnite. I have not heard that. But it doesn't surprise me. They're doing so many collabs at the moment. You do wonder if they're ever going to run out of collabs. Yeah. I only get an elim if someone is AFK or something like that. I know. They must have so many people working on collabs. Oh, see, look, I would have got zoned down there. Half the people I don't actually know what they are. There was the collab today. I actually had to look it up. The Leandri Grand Tournament. Celebration of the 25th anniversary of the UT series. And just in time for the December the 10th premiere of the series Secret Level, which features an episode about UT. We've got the Leandri League Warriors bundle. I mean, I don't know what that is. Had to look it up. It's some sort of like, I don't know, I still didn't quite understand it, to be honest. How do I not know about Unreal Tournament? I don't know what Unreal Tournament is. What is Unreal Tournament? It's one of the first FPS games. Oh, well, there you are, you see? Exactly. Why would... I've never heard of it before. And what's OAT? What's that meant to stand for? Because you were alive when they invented the first... Look. Benji going to play the new... No, he's not going to play the new...